please prey on me. I once knew a hunter with a gaze like a blade in the dim of the tap room where the fool traps are laid. Mind your step, my buckos. She's a master of shadows, she's a weaver of guile, and she slashes defenses with a flashing sharp smile. She moves like a whisper, she strikes like a gale, and she's caused every braggart to silence mid-tale. For when she walks in with that strut in her stride, there's nowhere for swaggering fools left to hide. But who's running anyway? Oh, Kestrel's a bird of prey, I pray will prey on me. She's got curves like a mountain and a heart like the sea. She's a falcon in leather, a storm in knee highs. Her breath fills our sails, makes our poor hearts capsize. So sharpen your talons, my lady, my dear. There's a soft-hearted target sitting right over here. She's got eyes that see through you, your sins get concerned. The fire in a spirit makes you want to get burned. Like moths to flame, my friends. She's a stealer of sorrows, a dealer of steel, with a grace that is heavy and a humor that's real. And though she's a rogue of the finest design, with a waistline that's crafted by gods, I opine I'd offer my lute strings, my coin and my knights, just to be the fine perch where that raptor alights. Ready and steady here, love! Oh, Kestrel's a bird of prey, I pray will prey on me. Her smile makes your willpower a faded memory. One glance puts your heart in a state of duress, and I'm just a bard in a state of distress. Let's ruffle those feathers, my lady, my dear. There's delectable prey for you right over here. They say she's a ghost stalking unwary dreams. The hapless are caught in her eye, steady gleam keeps silent, they say, from the danger she'll bring. And I'm just the fool who is daring to sing. So raise up your tankards, let's toast to the flight of the bird who could end us but keeps us inside. Yes, Kestrel's a dangerous bird of prey. But if you're hungry, love, I'm not running away.